Hello everyone, I am Mohammed Rafey from Safi Golden Jubilee English Public School, presently studying 8th standard, and today I'd like to discuss about the very famous topic which is known as force. What does the word force mean? In physics, the basic definition says a force is a cause of push and a pull. For this, we can take an example of this ball. While we move this ball, we are applying a force. Whereas when we are trying to stop this ball, we are also applying force on it. Whereas the fancy definition of the force says a force is a cause which changes the state of a body, either the state of rest or the state of motion, or changes the size and shape of the body. For this, I am taking an example of this sponge. For this sponge, if I am squeezing it, it changes its shape as well as its size. Initially, this ball is at rest, but the moment I apply some force on it, it changes its state from rest to motion. From this, I can conclude that a force is a cause that changes the state of a body, either the state of rest or the state of motion, or changes the size and shape of the body. Moving towards the unit of force, the SI unit of force is Newton and the symbol is capital N. This unit is named after the very famous English scientist Sir Isaac Newton, who did a lot of research work in this force topic. Next, I would like to discuss about the two types of forces, contact force and non-contact force. So firstly, let us briefly understand the concept of contact force. The definition of contact force says the forces that results when the bodies are in contact with each other are called contact force. Suppose I am feeling very thirsty and there is a glass full of water in this table. At the very moment I will pick this glass towards my mouth, there is a contact force between my hand and this glass. My second example is when footballer is playing football, he kicks the ball to the other player. So, there is a contact between his foot and the ball. These were my two examples of contact force. Another type of force is non-contact force. The definition of non-contact force says the force that results when the bodies are not in contact with each other are called non-contact force. For this, we can take a ball as an example. If we throw this ball on the air, it will automatically comes down. Why it happens so? Have we ever noticed? It is because of the gravitational force, the force exerted by the earth on all the object on it. Another type of non-contact force is magnetic force. The definition of magnetic force says the force which gets attracted by magnet towards another magnet or metal is called magnetic force. So let us see an example of magnetic force. I have taken a key which has been inserted by iron and a coin which is of stainless steel. If I bring this key, iron key, towards the stainless steel, they will attract each other, as you all can see clearly. These were my examples of non-contact. Thus, I would like to conclude here by saying a thank you.